Yes. In this problem, we have to express the angles in radians and degrees and minutes and seconds. Already 74 degrees is there. We have to take care of the 0.87. So, take 0.87 multiply with 60 minutes. So, what you get? 52.2 minutes. Okay. So, that means it is 52 minutes plus 0.2 minutes. Let me go for 0.2 minutes to seconds. Take 0.2 multiplied by 60 seconds. You will get here 12 seconds. So this will give us, we have 74 degrees, 52 minutes, 12 seconds. Let us see the second problem also, second bit. Here, minus 30 degrees plus 0.6947 degrees. Multiply, take 0.6947 degrees, multiply with point with 60 minutes. When you calculate this, you will get 41.682. That means it is 41 minutes plus 0.682 seconds. Now take 0.682 multiplied by 60 seconds. Now I am converting minutes to seconds. When you simplify, you will get 40.920 seconds. Ignoring the decimal point part, the value is minus 30 degrees, 41 minutes, 40